Hello and welcome to mobile crypto mining and trading. This is a video to check on what the community is saying about Pi network. Now we are going to start with Johnny Oson. Less than 1 million Pi coins or the true value. Here's why. As of today, despite over 10 billion Pi in circulation, only a fraction, which is less than 1 million, holds the purity badge and will function at global consensus value. While most Pi coins were sent to exchanges, permanently losing their purity badge. No badge, no GCV access. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis once said, every Pi is scarce and valuable. Those who preserve until the end will achieve great things in life. Dr. Chengdayo Fan added, 10 Pi is enough for a generation. Pi is non-conformist. As Mainnet launches near, Pi gas fees drops, contract address activates on Pi blockchain, over 300 computer nodes go live, Pi browser wallet will show real-time USD value. Your balance splits into contribution balance. Mined Pi never exchanged retains purity badge. Non-contribution balance exchanged Pi badge lost forever. No shortcuts, no resets. To hold pure Pi, you must create Pi account, mine for 30 days, complete KYC, migrate through the official Pi queue, verified by Pi GitHub codes, Pi white paper vision, Pi browser live development. Congrats to the loyal pioneers. You did not just mine, you believed, and you are about to be rewarded. Yes, that is the end of the comment. We move to another one. Pi network introduces new KYC feature. The new KYC feature is enabled through a synchronized status on mining hub button. This addresses a long-standing data synchronization issue that the PyCore team has been working to resolve. Yes, Sam opens this page and you can read here, tentative approval upon additional checks before migration. Your KYC status was changed to tentative KYC pending additional examinations. Further instructions will inform you next step to resolve the tentative status sent. Right? Then after working on it, it will just be good to show KYC passed and synchronize status on the mining app. That's all. Top crypto news says Pi network extends weekly losses to 15%. What next for Pi? Pi network's prolonged decline has extended into another week, with the token shedding nearly 16% of its value amid a broader market lull. As macro uncertainty intensifies and Pi's scheduled daily token unlocks continue to weigh heavily on sentiment, the downward pressure appears far from over. Sellers dominate as Pi falls below key threshold. Since reaching an all-time high of $3 on February 25th, Pi has recorded consistently weekly losses with no significant demand inflows throughout the slide. On the daily chart, the reading from the token moving average divergence MACD indicator reflects the deepening bearish momentum. At press time, Pi MACD line, which blue, rests below the signal line, which is orange. The MACD indicator identifies strength and momentum in its price movement. It helps traders spot potential buy or sell signal through crossover between the MACD and signal lines. As with Pi, when MACD lines rest below the signal line, it indicates warning buying activity. Traders see this setup as a sell signal, as it could exacerbate the downward pressure on Pi price. The BOP indicator measures the strength of buyers versus sellers in the market, helping to identify momentum shifts. When its value is positive, buyers dominate the market over sellers and drive newer price gains. Conversely, negative BOP reading signals that sellers are dominating the market with little to no resistance from buyers. This points to sustained downward pressure and weakening investor confidence. Pi network strangles below key average moving EMA level, exponential moving average level. Currently, Pi trades at 53 cents, exchanging hands below its 20-day exponential moving average, which forms dynamic resistance above its price at 56 cents. The 20-day exponential moving average measures an asset average price over the last 20 trading days, giving more weight to recent prices. When an asset price trends below its 20-day EMA, it signals short-term bearish momentum and potential continued downside. Happy Pi Day. June 28th marks a special day for Pi. Happy Pi Day. June 28th marks a special day for Pi network community. This date resembles the mathematical constant of Pi, which is approximately 314. So it will be double 628, but the date format 628 is a nod to the first two digits of Pi being represented in the same date format as 628. So it is welcome, and we are happy as we wait for Pi today. Can check on the last post. Pi is the return to $1 real? Is the return to $1 real or just a fleeting illusion? Pi is currently at critical crossroads. It has dropped over 32% this month and has broken below the important 6-cent support level, leading many to questions. Is the dream of returning to $1 still alive, or it's just a pure fantasy? All eyes are on 28th double Pi day. This day could reignite the upward trend, or it could completely crush the remaining momentum. Key signals to watch for the next. Can Pi quickly regain to 60 cents level? Is the trading volume flowing back or continuing to decrease? Are the whales still buying or quietly exiting? If Pi cannot stage a strong rebound soon, this upward trend may quickly dissolve. But if it holds the critical support, the hope of returning to $1 still exists. So, it's our prayers that Pi today will be a big day for us. We as pioneers, we expect much on this day, so that we can be sure that in future we shall have a good something. So far, I have found this 77 Pi. You can see this is my phone, and I'm trying my best to still continue. So far, so good. What I'm going to do now is to remind you to subscribe to the channel, and I have put codes. There is a video, I named it as let me open it. Let me open it here. I named it as top 13 cryptos to mine via mobile, and I would like you to all go there and mine. You will use my codes. I have given my codes, and you will get the bonuses where possible. So let me open my channel. Let me open my channel here and show you that video. This is my channel. As you see, I would like you to go and watch this video. Top 13 mobile mining cryptos. You can start mining right today. When you open it, welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. Please subscribe before we proceed. Let me pause. You will go to the description here, and you will see we have Pi network here. We have TCC network here. TCC mining rate is very high now. You can see here I am mining. This is my phone. You can check. I have over 8,600. So this is TCC. You can see Rabbit network. You will use these codes. This is the code for Pi network. This is code for TCC network. But when you click this link, it will open and it will put the code automatically on the registration form. This is for Rabbit network. Ruby network, you will use this code. For Delta network, you will use this reference code. And TT coin will be automatic. When you click the link, it will just take you there. For Kiva, you will have to use this code. This one will go direct. Sidra chain, you will use baby tram, and you will just click accept invitation, and you will not be asked to put it if you accept. B network, you will use the same Babytron. PX network, you will use this one. You make sure you copy paste so that you don't make mistakes between letter O and 0. So CPAN network, you will use this code, and array chain, you will use this one, and you will have finished. So in future, I'll be bringing more of the codes here. I am mining more than 20 projects, so let's meet right there. For today, I beg to stop here, and we meet on the next video. So bye bye and stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, like the video, and leave your comment on section below. Bye bye.